channel. This is Shivani here and I hope you guys are doing super well. So today it's a review day, and as you guys have been observing that I have been doing a lot of reviews lately. So today I'm going to do a review of an hair oil, which is basically an onion hair oil, so it's going to be interesting. But before that, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my beautiful family yet, then you really need to do by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I drop a video. And now let's get into the video. Now the reason why I picked up this product was because its major ingredient was onion, and most of us now, everybody of us know that onions are best when it comes to hair regrowth. So that kind of motivated me a lot to pick this product and review it. Now let's talk about the ingredients of this product.
Now, the onion seed oil actually controls your hair fall and therefore it promotes hair growth. Next, we have almond oil, amla oil, castor oil and bringraj oil. We also have a very new ingredient, which is Redensyl, which boosts density, thickness, fullness, strength and overall health of your hair. Now, the product overall promises to boost your hair growth, add strength and shine and balance to your scalp. Talking about the application of the product, it's really easy, and as mentioned on the bottle, you have to just apply a few drops of it. So I'm just going to do the same. Also guys, never ever rigorously massage your hair. Do not go heavy. You have to be light and just massage your hair in a circular motion, because that way you will break less hair. Also, do not apply a lot of oil, because again you would need more shampoo to wash it off, and that would mean drier hair. So just avoid that practice, and do not forget to apply the oil onto your ends as well, because at times we do not apply oil over there and therefore that remains unnourished. Now, that being that, I actually love the oil for one reason, that it is not at all sticky. You do not feel heavy or uncomfortable after you apply the oil. You just feel so relaxed, and the aroma is soothing. So it is really nice after applying the oil. Now, when I washed off my hair felt smoother and I did not actually break a lot of hair. So that is thumbs up. And yeah, that is my honest review about the product. You can always go check more about it on its official website, that is of Mamaearth. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.